Hi, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I want to show you how I model this really unique set of windows here. The sketch from the field looks like this. We've got some measurements of the roof and some heights of windows, some widths, etc. Got to try to figure some things out with this. So I know the roof is placed here at this location. I won't go into how we figured all that out. So we've got these shaped windows. The roof's a 9 pitch. We've got these shaped windows that's going to follow the roof pitch. So quickly, I've done this with this corner one here. I'm going to do the same with this middle one. I'm going to open the window. I just double clicked on it and go to shape. And then I'm going to click match roof. So that'll set the height, left and right height properly. Now that means this one is the right. Previously, the question came in when I found that the measurements showed that the pitch of the roof was a 9 pitch, not an 8 pitch, as previously thought. So I'm going to bump that casing right up to the drywall and down a little further, not quite that far. Now for this one, I'm eyeballing exactly where I think it should go. If you wanted to get a better sense of that, you could get field measurements and exact legs heights of that. Now this middle one here that's got 2 slopes is kind of an interesting one. So I'm going to open that. Actually, I'm going to drop that down, and we're going to make sure this ridge is where it's supposed to be. Something looks off about it, so I'm guessing there's, let's make sure that 201 and 5/8 is, no, 210 is the baseline height. Yeah. Lock the pitch, 210. There we go. There we go. That's where we're supposed to be at. All right, so I'm going to open this, and actually I'm going to delete that for now. Deleted that middle one because I want to show you how to do this. So I'm going to copy this and center it about this window. Now I happen to know, we know the height of this, where this turns and changes direction. We know this is 69 inches to here. So I'm going to plug that in. Height is 69 inches and the sill is 82.5. Now that's not quite where obviously it should be, because we want 69 is now to the right side. So I'm going to open this window and go to shape. Now if I match the roof, should be matched already. Okay, it just went to the other side, that's fine. Shape. So what I'm going to do, right now this is at 69 inches. I want this midpoint to be at 69 inches, right? So I'm going to make, right now the left is at 48 and 3/8. I'm going to make the right at 43 and 3/8. That would make a flat window, but we're going to do the top inside corner with an offset. So half of this is 13 3/4. That's right here. So at 13 3/4 inch offset, we want this to be at 69. So 40, 48 and 3/8. There we go. And then I'm going to do a top inside corner, 69. And the offset is 13 3/4. How did I do this earlier? Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Match roof. There we go. Let's actually switch. It's going to match this roof side. Now I'm going to pull this up. That's what, there we go. I'm going to pull this up first as a okay, so now I know what this leg is supposed to be at when this is at 69. Now I'm going to open this and do the shape. So 56 3/4. Now I'm going to do the left, 69, 13 3/4. Okay, that's interesting. That's not quite the shape I thought it would be. Let's look at the picture. Let's just bring that 69 down. 68. A little more. That's more like it. 67. The thing is, in the field, that I know they didn't, I spoke with them, they didn't take really close detailed measurements off of a ladder, so 69 was actually kind of a rough guess. So the key with this is setting your shoulder height. What I did was I matched the pitch of the roof and then brought that height up of the window up so that this shoulder height right here would be in alignment, this shoulder height right there. Once we found that shoulder height, we can apply that to the same shoulder here and then give the offset and the height of this peak, this tip right there, to match the pitch of the roof. I hope that's been helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.